Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change default exchange in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, find and open Bither application on your device. Make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find settings icon, which is at the top right corner of your screen. After clicking on settings icon, you will see various options here. You should look for the name Default Exchange. After finding it, click on the Default Exchange tab. Here you will find two options to switch. Either it's Bitstamp or it's Bitfinex. To change it, simply click on the option you want to change to, and your default exchange will be changed. So that is how you can change your default exchange in Bither Crypto Wallet application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.